very hard equation that we were not able to do with some fun games.
Hi, I'm Paul Salvani from the school Dimension International School, and today I exhibited that, and I taught my little fellow friends that how to do the sums of probability and what is actually probability. My experience was quite good, and I was actually very exhausted after making them realize that what is probability. For some of them were very confused, and I had to explain them again and again. But it was very good, and I taught a lesson that we shouldn't give up and we should try every day. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Heet Jain from 8th D. So today was the maths exhibition which was held by 8th standard. A few working models were made by 8th standard, and my topic was LCM and HCF working model. So few small kids came and they learned how we can find LCM and HCF. So they understood very better in this working model. So I felt very good that something I taught my little friends or something. It taught me some values that we have to help others. Thank you.
It was a great experience for us to see what other people can do, and it was very nice and heartwarming for us to see that people were actually taking interest in what we were trying to teach them. And it was we didn't expect that many people would take interest and they would answer all of the questions that we were asking them. So it was also much of a surprise for us, and it was a great experience for us to learn.
Yeah, they were very curious to know each and every little thing. They were very keen to know that what is this, what is that. They were asking doubts also about that, and it was a great experience for all of us. Thank you.